In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Coinbase. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase wallet application like you normally would, and then go to the home screen like so. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be deciding what cryptocurrency we're going to be utilizing, because each different type of cryptocurrency will have its own unique wallet address. So it's really important that you guys do that. So all you need to do is you need to go to the search bar over here and then look for the cryptocurrency you're going to be working with. So for this video, let's go ahead and actually use Ethereum. So let's go ahead and type in Ethereum, and yep, here it is. So over here, we'll get some information about Ethereum, but all you need to do is you need to go to this bottom menu and then select on the option that says receive. Okay, and right over here is your Ethereum address. So you need to make sure that you actually do use this whenever you're doing transactions that require Ethereum. If not, you could risk losing your Ethereum and stuff like that. So please just be very careful with that. You will get a QR code, or alternatively, you can go ahead and copy and paste your Ethereum address like so, and then send it to the person you are trying to do business with. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.